Hey you guys, I am back and I'm here with another wig revamp. So this wig I made about 1.5 years ago and I never wore it. It just got kicked around. And I'm going to take an old closure that I have and I'm going to turn this into a glueless closure wig. So first I removed all of the tracks from the wig cap. That's the same wig cap I'm using or reusing. I didn't have time to film that part. But yeah, so we're going in and now we are following the preset guidelines on this wig cap, which, I made this wig so fast because the lines were already drawn. Once I did that, I washed and deep conditioned her. I let her air dry and I brushed her out. I see a lot of people that like to blow dry this texture hair and then wand curl it. I didn't want to do that. So I kept it like this. I just brushed her out really poofy. And then I'm going to go in with my 2-inch wand curler. I wanted big, like, voluminous curls. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. I love the pops of color. It's not too much, but I just love that part. So once I finished curling her, this is how she came out. Very cute. I absolutely love how she came out. Again, she is glueless. If you guys would like to see me install this wig and a cute little makeup look, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.